Hi, this is Suzanne Bichard, instructor with the American Institute for Paralegal Studies. This past week, we got started with what is one of my favorite courses to teach, and that is legal writing class. And during this past week, we spent a lot of time talking about the pre-writing stage of legal writing. And as we learned, the organizing that we do before we even start writing is just about as important as the actual writing itself. In fact, the pre-writing stage is part of legal writing. And one of the most important aspects of the pre-writing stage, in my opinion, is your outline. We spent a lot of time talking about outlining in one of our discussions this past week. And as we learned, outlining is the skeletal structure of your legal memorandum or whatever legal assignment you're working on. The outline is intended to provide you, the writer, with a picture of how your document is going to look when it's completed. You can put your outline into any format that works for you. You can use Roman numerals and subheadings, or you can use capital letters and small letters, or what have you. It's just important that you get the components of your outline put together using main headings and subheadings. What I really want to talk to you about today, though, are my top 5 reasons for outlining before you begin writing. So here's the top 5 reasons for outlining. Number 1, outlining helps break any writing assignment, no matter how complex it might be, into manageable component parts. It helps you break down the writing assignment into smaller bits that you can work on individually. Some people say that outlining in this way helps you to avoid writer's block. At least you're getting something down on paper when you start with the outlining process. It helps the writer to keep from feeling overwhelmed, even if the project that they're working on is something very complex. Number 2, outlining saves time in the long run. Now, it might seem at first like you're approaching outlining and it's just one more task that you have to complete, and you think that it's, going to add time to your otherwise busy schedule. But believe me, outlining actually saves time in the long run because it helps you to get together all of your resources before you even begin. So it's really not a time waster, it's a time saver. Outlining also helps provide an organized framework for the structure of your writing assignment and for conducting your research and analysis. Number 4, outlining forces you to get organized with your thoughts before you even begin getting started with the actual writing. And number 5, outlining helps you to think through all of the various aspects of the writing assignment so that nothing is overlooked or left out, and no important point will fall through the cracks that way. So I can't emphasize enough for you the importance of outlining before you get started with your legal writing project. If you're not currently a student at AIPS, and if you'd like to know more about legal studies and careers in the law, please take a look at our website at aips.com. Thank you.